Let's talk about talking. Okay, so let's get real for a second. Talking in English can feel super scary. It's like you're about to go on a first date with a really hot celebrity. You get all nervous, your palms get sweaty. You totally forget how to form normal human sentences. I've been there, trust me. You think, what if I say the wrong thing? What if they laugh at me? But here's the thing. Being able to communicate is like having a key. A key that opens a million cool doors to new friends, amazing jobs, all the best TV shows without needing subtitles. It's a total game changer. Think about it. Communication is everything. It's how you order the most delicious extra cheese pizza without accidentally getting anchovies. Yuck. So, let's get you ready for your big debut. My first secret is kind of a paradox. To be a better talker, you need to become a better listener. I know it sounds weird. It's like saying to get better at eating cake, you should watch other people eat cake. But hear me out. When you really listen, you're not just waiting for your turn to talk. You're actually learning. You're absorbing the rhythm of the language. You hear how people use small words, like you know. You notice the music in their sentences, how their voice goes up and down. This is the stuff that makes you sound natural. So how do you do it? Start with things you love. Are you obsessed with a certain TV show? Watch it in English. First with subtitles, then without. Listen to the same scene over and over. Try to copy how the actors say their lines. Are you into pop music? Find the lyrics to your favorite English songs and sing along. Loudly, in the shower, in your car. Who cares? Okay, my second secret might make you feel a little silly at first, but I need you to trust me on this one. You need to start talking to yourself, out loud. Yes, I am 100% serious. This is your private rehearsal space. There's no audience. There's no one to judge you. It's just you and your fabulous voice practicing. Your bedroom, your bathroom, your car, these are now your personal English-speaking stages. You wouldn't perform a play on opening night without rehearsing, right? Talking is the same thing. This is your rehearsal. So what do you talk about? Anything. Literally anything. Describe what you're doing. I am making coffee now. I am putting the coffee in the filter. I hope I don't spill it all over my cute pajamas. Narrate your day like you're the star of your own reality show. You are building muscle memory for your mouth and your brain. My third secret is to think of your vocabulary like a little garden. You can't just plant a few seeds and expect a lush, beautiful jungle of words. You have to water it, you have to give it sunshine, you have to take care of it every single day. But, don't get overwhelmed. You don't need to memorize a dictionary. That's boring, and honestly, it doesn't work. Instead, focus on learning words that are actually useful and interesting to you. Your garden should be full of words you'll actually use, not weird, dusty old words nobody says anymore. Here's a super simple way to do it. Get a small notebook. This is your word garden notebook. Every day, try to learn just one new word or phrase. Just one. Maybe you hear it in a song or see it in an article. Write it down. But don't just write the word. Write the whole sentence you found it in. This is so important. It gives the word context. It shows you how it's really used. Alright, this is my final and most important secret. It's the one that changes everything. Are you ready? Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are awesome. I want you to think of every mistake as a little golden ticket. It's proof that you are trying. It's proof that you are being brave. It's proof that you are learning. People who don't make mistakes in English aren't speaking English. You are speaking it. You're already winning. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about handling imperfection with grace. So please, I am begging you, give yourself permission to be imperfect. Each one is a step forward. Now go out there and talk. You've got this. If you enjoyed these tips, subscribe for more English learning fun. Hit the bell so you never miss an update.